I don't think people understand the importance of consulting a healthcare provider before trying any remedies. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Roots to Remedy. Today, we're diving into natural remedies for gallstones. From dandelion root to turmeric, we'll explore 10 herbs to cleanse your gallbladder and soothe inflammation. Let's get started on this journey. First up, let's talk about dandelion root. Dandelion root is a natural diuretic, which means it helps your body flush out excess water and toxins, keeping your system clean and efficient. But that's not all. It also stimulates bile production, which is essential for breaking down fats and preventing the formation of gallstones. This makes it a fantastic ally for both your liver and gallbladder. Later in this video, I'll share my favorite dandelion root tea recipe, which is not only delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your health. So make sure to stay tuned for that. Next, milk thistle. Milk thistle contains silymarin, an antioxidant that protects and regenerates liver cells, optimizing liver function and aiding in gallstone prevention. Let's talk about turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent anti-inflammatory compound. By reducing inflammation, turmeric can soothe the gallbladder and promote better digestive health. Now let's explore artichoke. Artichokes are rich in cynarin, which stimulates bile production, essential for breaking down fats and preventing gallstones. I'll share a simple recipe for homemade artichoke capsules in the next segment. Let's move on to peppermint. Peppermint contains menthol, which relaxes digestive tract muscles, relieving spasms, discomfort, and aiding in digestion for gallstone sufferers. Next up, ginger. Ginger is a natural anti-inflammatory and aids in digestion, reducing nausea and soothing the digestive tract. I'll show you how to make a soothing ginger syrup. Ginger syrup is perfect for calming an upset stomach. Now let's talk about lemon balm. Lemon balm promotes relaxation and reduces stress, which can worsen digestive issues. I'll show you how to make a soothing lemon balm tea for relief. Chicory root, a digestive aid from root to leaf. This versatile plant has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. Chicory root is rich in inulin, a fiber that feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Inulin acts as a prebiotic, helping to maintain a balanced gut flora. By promoting a healthy gut microbiome, chicory root supports gallbladder health and reduces gallstone risk. It also aids in digestion and helps in the absorption of nutrients. I'll share a unique recipe for a chicory root ointment. This ointment can be used to soothe skin irritations and promote overall skin health. Stay tuned for the step-by-step guide. This will be a great addition to your holistic remedies. Golden seal, nature's antibacterial powerhouse. Golden seal contains berberine, which inhibits bacterial growth and may help prevent gallstones. Let's explore how to make a traditional golden seal poultice together. Oregon grape root, cleansing the liver naturally. Oregon grape root contains berberine, supporting liver detoxification and preventing gallstones. I'll show you how to make a soothing Oregon grapefruit cream in just a few steps.
Thanks for joining the Roots to Remedy journey. We're thrilled to have you with us as we explore the world of natural health and wellness. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Our goal is to provide you with valuable insights and practical tips for incorporating natural remedies into your daily life. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Your support helps us reach more people who are interested in natural health solutions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health tips, recipes, and remedies. We upload new content regularly to keep you informed and inspired. Remember to always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new herbal regimen. It's important to ensure that the remedies are safe and suitable for your individual health needs. Stay healthy and take care. Embrace the power of nature and make it a part of your wellness journey. Thank you for being a part of the Roots to Remedy community. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more with you.